Hi everyone, welcome to 53rd episode of DevLog of developing browser online game with Laravel and React. And in this episode, I wanted to change several things. Firstly, I wanted to update my fleet details after battle in city and for attacker and for defender. So I did it here, and after battle, I just calculate which fleets, which warships remained, and I update my database for each side, for defender and for attacker. After that, I decided that I need to add feature. If I attack some city and I won, it means that I should get some resources from this city. And I add this logic too. For example, if I am attacker and I won, I calculate resources which I get after battle from this city. I just calculate free capacity of fleet. I just calculate every warships with its capacity. And after that, for example, I decrement capacity if fleet had gold or populations before. For example, I could send fleet with attack type, with attack task. I could send it with some resources too. And I just need to calculate my free capacity correctly. And after that, I calculate resources in city, and I can only have 50% of resources from city. I can steal all resources from this city. So I did it with just easy formula. And after that, I have some logic for which resources I should get. And for example, if my capacity is 1000 and in city I have gold, 2000, it means that I will get only 1000 gold because I can't carry more. If city has 500 gold and 300 population, it means that I can take it all. But if city would have 1300 population, it means that I will get only 500 gold and 500 population. Yeah, easy logic. And after that, of course, I just increment fleet resources, and I add gold and population, which I stole from city, and I just return array of resources back. And after that, I remove resources from city, because if I take it from city, I should remove it from city. So it's just two decrement query for gold and population. So, and I added document about battle process. It's easy right now, but I will add some new features every time, and I can't forget about something. So, and in this case, I just wrote it down here just to remember. And I add section of future updates. I wrote down some ideas which I want to add to this battle process logic, and I will do it later. I've already done this feature. I decided to update my Laravel framework to version 10. And before that, I removed Fruitcake Laravel course because I don't need it. Because in 10th version, we already have some special rules for course. And I changed middleware here in my kernel.php. And right now, I use I handle course with native instruments in Laravel. So I don't need Fruitcake, and so I removed it. And after that, I changed version of Laravel to 10, and update some packages here and here. I knew about it from a Laravel tutorial, how to update Laravel from 9 to 10. And after that, I refactored my battle process code a little bit. I just moved some repeatable code to separate functions, like populate fleet details with some parameters, calculate fleet attack, and get available capacity. Right now it's more understandable, and I can test each function separately. And I decided that I need some tests for my functions, for battle service especially. I created my first file for tests. I created some functions here. I can test it with PHP unit instruments. I can run my test with vendors bean sale artisan test. For that, I needed PHP unit version 10 and this package with version 7. I installed everything, and now I am able to start my tests. So I can start it and test something from my battle service. So I have some problem with test for registration, and so I decided that okay, right now I will left it as it is, and I will fix it later. The main idea is that now I have some tests which I can run, and test my functions. It's very important that this file works correctly. And here in my test, I have some tests for some functions like populate my fleet details with capacity and health, test available capacity, test move some resources from city to attacker fleet, and I have several variations of resources which we transfer from city to attacker fleet. So I have several cases for that. It's only first file with tests. I will create more and more tests for my code, because I have many functions, many different cases, and I can't test it manually every time. I need some automatization. So, and tests, it's a very, very good option for it. So, okay, I think that it's enough for this episode. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, press a like button, leave a comment if you have something to say. See you in the next episode. Bye.